Okay, this trek into DIY tech is testing of the action camera submersible. This is going to be an uncharacteristically short video, but here what you're seeing is we're in the sink, obviously, testing the functionality of all the motors, and the buoyancy is a little bit off, so we're riding a little bit high because we don't have the camera in there. The camera case is actually empty, so we're testing left, right, and the motor that submerges us. So when you see that big water spout, that's the top motor. All right, so here we're in the canal, so we're doing some real world testing with a GoPro Hero 3 loaded up in the waterproof case. At this point, we're just testing to see if the motors are powerful enough to drag the Cat 5e cable out, to see how far we can drag it without the cable being buoyant. So the fish don't seem to be disturbed by this thing at all. They just keep swimming along. All right, so there you go. That was a pretty good test. Everything worked pretty much the way we expected. The motors keep pushing the angle up every time we thrust forward, so we're going to take a look at that in the subsequent videos and see what improvements we can make. But thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.